to press this now, and I'm going to put two cups of hot water right there. Okay, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to put these slices them into the water like this. Okay, just like this. Okay, good vibes. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn off the cooker because the water is already boiling, so I don't need to boil it again. Good vibes. And what I'm gonna do, I'm going to get the parsley and put it straight into the water like this. So you guys can see exactly what I've been doing, okay? Beautiful and simple recipe this evening. So you guys can see joy. What's going on? All right, beautiful, lovely, beautiful recipe. Excellent for you guys to try at home. All right, just to let you guys know what I've been doing. So we have parsley and lime this evening. So what we're going to want to say to you, don't add any sugar, sweetener or honey. And this is 2 cups of large cups of water. Okay, yeah, 2 large cups of water. So what you want to do, you want to drink one tonight before you go to your bed and one in the morning. Okay, that's how I normally do it for myself. You don't have to do it that way. Okay, you can also just boil the kettle and just pour the water upon the ingredients and leave it for about 10 minutes and then you drink it. Okay, so this right here, you leave it and drink this in the morning and one tonight before you go to your bed. Okay, and that's what I'm going to be doing tonight. Let me taste this. Oh my God. So this is good for detoxing the liver, the kidney, and also helping with your blood sugar. The list is amazing with this right here. Just this only, but it's something powerful. Okay, guys? So please enjoy it and leave in the comments a good vibe. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it off of the heat. Okay? I'm gonna take it off of the heat because we don't want to keep it too long on the heat. Okay? Very quick and simple recipe. Lovely. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Something which is magic. You can't go wrong with this, guys. Excellent one, man. This is just amazing. So Excellent. All right, so okay, now I'm going to simple pour it off. Oh, a little bit of it come out, but that's fine. Now, you want to drink this tonight and one in the morning also, okay? Now, remember to get yourself a copy of the book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo's Secret Recipes to Success. All right, good vibes. You guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. So what you want to do, drink this tonight and one of this in the morning, okay? Enjoy the recipe. It's basic recipe, yes, but it's very effective. All right. Can you use lemon? Yes, you can use lemon or you can use lime. I was gonna use lemon, but I have a lot of lime and I want to use up my limes. Okay. You can use it a lemon or lime with the parsley. Now, I'm not gonna say you're supposed to use dry parsley because I don't use dry parsley. I use fresh one all the time. All right. I'm ready for work. Big up yourself. Good vibes. Sunshine, thank you so much. Yeah, okay. You're welcome. Big up on yourself, beautiful people. Me too. I'm going to get ready for bed. Long evening, long day today. But thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely evening. Stay blessed. And this is our bedtime tea for tonight. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow night. Once again in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking. Really appreciate ears. Take care of yourself, my brother. Big up yourself wherever you are, and your family and everyone. And good vibes. Thank you so much, every one of you guys, for this evening. Have a great evening and see you tomorrow. God bless. Bye-bye for now.